I'll give you an example of the game called Taboo. It's a game that we love to use in our classes. It can be adapted to suit different levels of students. But what we love about it is that it gets them to speak and it gets them to laugh, and then they love it. So the game is basically a game where you get a word, you have to explain the meaning of the word to other students, but without saying other words that are closely connected to it. So let's say if you have the word house, you can't say home or live or door or window or something that's really closely connected to it. Now, we would usually in classes, with in-person classes, you would play it with cards. You know, they get a word and they get the words that they cannot use. And I know that some teachers might think, oh, I just want to use the cards in a digital version. Of course, you can do that, but that's a lot of work. And sometimes it's really important to use those visual cues. But here, the most important thing is that they can see the word. And I would just use the chat option. Let's say here, I would just send the special word that a student has to explain directly to that student so that the other people can't see it. And then the person would explain it and that would be it. So just, make it simple for yourself. Don't complicate things if you don't have to, because there are so many things to grasp when it comes to online teaching when you first start doing it. Later on, maybe you'll have time and then you'll make beautiful cards and then you'll send each of them to each of the students and do something like that. But you can start with just simple chat and it works wonders.